Today, you will learn how to add a screen tip to a hyperlink in Word. First, select the text or image that you want to turn into a hyperlink. You can also right-click the selected text and choose Link or Edit Hyperlink. Once the hyperlink dialog box opens, type or paste the web address or file location into the address box at the bottom. Next, look at the top right corner of this window and click the ScreenTip button. Type the message you want people to see. Click OK. Then click OK again. To test it, move your mouse pointer over the hyperlink without clicking it. After a moment, your custom screen tip should appear in a small pop-up. If you don't see the screen tip, click the File tab, choose Options, then select Display from the left side. Under the Page Display Options section, make sure the Show Document Tooltips on Hover option is checked. Click OK to save the setting, then return to your document and hover over the hyperlink again. Your custom screen tip should now appear correctly. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe.